Farnham Street's Shane Parrish found that executives who maintained decision journals for 6+ months improved their decision quality by 30% as measured by outcome satisfaction. The journal works by separating the decision process from the outcome, which is where most learning happens. For each significant decision, log the date, the decision, the alternatives you considered, why you chose this option, what you expect to happen, what would make you change your mind, and your emotional state. This takes 5 minutes and creates an invaluable record of your thinking patterns. Monthly, review past decisions whose outcomes are now visible. Compare what you expected to what actually happened. Look for patterns. Do you consistently overestimate timelines? Underweight certain risks? Decide emotionally when you think you're being rational? The patterns are where the gold is. Confirmation bias. Only seeking information that supports your preferred option. Sunk cost fallacy. Continuing because you've already invested, not because it's working. Anchoring. Over-relying on the first piece of information you encountered. The journal makes these invisible biases visible. Creating a decision journal template in Notion with structured fields for each decision component, an automated review reminder system, and a dashboard that tracks decision accuracy over time. Start your decision journal today with the next decision you face, even a small one. Use my free Notion template from the description. In 3 months, you'll be amazed at the patterns you uncover.